Alright, YouTube, it's your boy Trucker_DIY back with another restore video. Like I said, I'm restoring this 530 Bmw E39 that's been sitting for 11 years. We finally got it started. Definitely finally got it started. So basically the problem we have in here today is when I start the car, it start up. But when I plug up the map sensor, it take flow, it cuts off. So today we got a new one here that I got from NAPA. So this one I got from NAPA right there is focus. That's the part number. If you're going through the same problems and go to NAPA, they got it. I think I spent like $120 for this mass airflow sensor. All right, so like I said, when I start the car with it plugged up, the car cuts off. But when I unplug it, the car starts. All right, so I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Well, can't show you right now, I already got it off, so we'll definitely put that on and give it a start, see what's going on with it. All right, so let's get this camera to focus. All right, let's get you in there to focus a little bit. So we're doing right here. Let's get it. So when you do buy a new one from NAPA, there's a bug or something in this real dirty. But when you buy a new one from NAPA, you gotta give. They want the old one back, so you gotta give them a core. This right here is the original. Make sure before I say original BMW, but do we have BMW written on it? Nah, I just got the part number on it. But other than that, it was made in Germany, so pretty much is, I guess. Let's get the new one out of here. Alright, so we're going to do an open box. The new mass airflow system sensor. This one right here. It's also made in Germany. Alright, so this is the new one here. Now the difference, I don't know if you can really tell the difference. There's a dirty bug in that one black, this one, I really can tell the difference. So you can go ahead and install it right now. Alright. So it's pretty much easy to install it. You just gonna have to pull back on this. I should take the screw out right there so I can pull back on it, get that out. Oops, I'm gonna drop right in here. Alright, move my arm out the way so y'all can see what I'm doing. So for now, what we're going to do, we're gonna put the old one back in here so I don't get confused. This old one here. So we gotta put the old one back in the box. So you're gonna give them the old one just like this. So throw that old one back in the box. And keep the new one sitting over here on the side. So that goes there. So what we're gonna do is get the screw off here. So to get the screw off, you're gonna need a socket, a 7/16 to get that off. All right, it's a 7/16. Put that to the side, so that we can move it. We can move it back and forth. All right, let's get this new one in here. Gotta be careful. I don't want to break. I'm gonna break nothing over here. Going in the right way. Trying to be careful getting it in there because you don't want to break the plastic in there. I think I did that earlier. Two other ones. So pop that in like so. Push it down. Make sure you get a snug fit. Pretty much about it right there. You gotta spin that, make sure everything is in there. Spin that right there. It's facing that. Gotta make sure the arrow is pointing this way so it can be lined up here with the clips. Make sure you got everything lined up. I'll drop one of the clips. Thank God it fell right here. There we go. That in like so. You got one more on the back side you gotta put in. That goes in here. There you go. That's on. Make sure you get your clamp on. Make sure everything is snug fit. So you ain't got no air seeping out of here. Alright, let's get all this down. That's that. The small screw on here, you're gonna need a 1/4. You're gonna need a 1/4 for the small screw that's on here. So, see? You're gonna need a 1/4 on this. Alright, plug it up. You got a clamp here. Make sure you keep your clamps handy because sometimes these are hard to loosen and drive you crazy just to find another one. Pretty quick little video on how to change your mass airflow system, and as far as how to diagnose the problem. Just hope that's the problem. So we're gonna go start the car now. See if we got this together. Let's see if we got this together, all right? Take you outside with me. Let y'all see, like I said, this car sit for about 11 years. All right, so let y'all see what I'm doing. All right, now you see. All right, got 91,000 miles on it. Start it. Oh, it's holding. It's definitely holding. So I guess it was the mass airflow system. Alright. Check backup light. Alright, service engine light is on. I gotta get some gas. I gotta turn the car back around, so I gotta service. I just did that. I gotta turn that off. I just did the oil change. I just did the tune-up. I did a full complete tune-up. Oil change, spark plugs, NGK spark plugs in here. I put brand new coils in here. And I did the valve cover gasket. So I did everything. I was gonna take my computer, turn the light off, but pretty much everything is on. And I gotta take off that brake light. I gotta figure out which one of these brake lights or which one of these calipers is stuck, is frozen, because the car is sit for 11 years, so I gotta figure that out. But thanks for watching. We done with this video. Cut this car off. So I gotta wash it over there. But I appreciate y'all for watching. Alright, so that's how you diagnose your problems right there. When you turn the car on and the car starts hesitating and it starts stuttering and putting and it cuts off, don't want to cut on. Two things to check for really. Check for your crankshaft position sensor. No, intake position sensor. Intake crankshaft position sensor. Check that. I changed that, and then it come out with the mass airflow sensor. So, all right, so we done with the video. Thanks for watching. We out of here. Salute. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and bring you more content with this. Be strong. It's 5:30. I'm about to sit back and watch it now. All right, get at y'all lady. Got to do a deep cleaning.